alam nyo, pag mga hindi kanyang sasakyan, talagang hindi alam ang gagawin. Kaya suggest ko sa inyo, bumili na kayo ng sasakyan guys. Hindi ko naman kayo ininggan nyo, pero ang ganun na din. Oo nga, kumuha ng lisensya, ayaw kumuha ng sasakyan. Ayaw ba?
Wala pang budget.
Wala pa palang budget, sorry. Sorry. Parang art to ni Jiho Sapat eh, art.
Brother,
Kung may artist,
ako dyan, paano yan?
may art. Kung kakainin ko na to, hindi ko lang, marinig ako eh. Maganda yung may mic. Yung nakilalagay dito. Lumabas kami, rinig nyo na ako kahit gaano pa kaingay.
Ako po kasing bulabugin yung kasama ko doon. Napakahina rin namang magsalita kapag may kakwentuhan o kausap sa telepono. So dapat balik natin sa kanya. No? Respeto. Yun, alam ko na. Lilinis naman to araw-araw pero nakikita kasi akong mga pwede pang linisin. No? Shower!
This one. This is not sponsored. Hi bro, balitid ba to?
Before, hindi naman ako nagbablog. So, wala. Naboboring ako pagka maglalabas dito, lalakad-lakad. So ngayon, may rason na ako para lumabas, no? Basuran dito guys eh. So, tatapon natin dito. Para hindi tayo mapagalitan. Okay? Safety first. Diba? Safety first guys. Kahit anong gagawin nyo. Yan yung mga pang-araw-araw na buhay. Safety first. Why did you throw that? Huh? Why did you throw that?
Because I already water.
Because
eat.
that's a trash. Trash should be in the trash bin.
This way, keep this way.
Give way.
We make video here and record what they playing, what they doing. So they don't want to take video and record. So we asked them and I showed them the recorded video that we made, and they decided before I delete. I asked him if I'm going to delete or no. They confirmed delete. So as a respect sa human being, so we deleted. So guys, what can you say? Today it's dark.
Actually, we make video here, but one mistake, they don't know.
Bacala is like supermarket, like
Yeah, like the supermarket.
that. So what are we going to buy in Bacala?
We needed something, anything, juice, apple.
Very good. Here in Qatar having
Yes.
free buses, guys, metro buses, and you just need a metro card. That's it. And I think do you have metro bus, metro card? Do you have
Metro bus.
metro card? You have card.
No, I have no card.
So guys, we're going to metro station now, and we will buy for metro card for him. We are here inside metro station now, guys. So inside we saw bendo machine, like see, there's a bendo machine here. So whenever you want to buy water, there is available water and snacks. Ma'am, can we ask where's the nearest bus station here? Because we want to try free bus. Nearest bus
Actually,
station.
here there is no bus. Where you want to go exactly?
Cornish.
Cornish.
Okay. For Cornish station, it's better that you go back to train. Okay, you want to go to Cornish area, right?
Yeah.
It's better that you go back to train and you can go to the Cornish area. There is one station there in Cornish. It's better.
But we want to experience bus because it's free, right?
Yeah, there is one bus there.
Basta ka pa?
Maganda.
So ito ang ating kapatid na napaka-pogi at napakabait. Mas gwapo ka ah. So bago kami lumabas dun sa company na pinag-applyan namin ni Joel, nagtanong muna kami kung saan may malapit na station ng Metrolink. So sabi sa Alsa daw. Iabot ko. Tinatapon sa akin. Hindi ko alam pasensya na po kayo guys, no? Kung sinabi ko yun. Pero yun talaga literal na ginagawa niya. Kasi nga, makulit din ako. Ay, mas makulit pala ito.
Pag binibless tayo ni Lord.
Yun talaga. Share your blessing. Yun, naalala ko.
Share your
Guys,
blessing.
Share your blessing. Yun yung naalala ko sa kanya.
Pag
Yun yung bukang bibig
binibless
niya.
ka ni Lord, i-share mo na lang.
Tatanong lang ako guys kung pwede mag-record sa loob. So guys, pwede daw pong mag-record dito sa loob ng Metrobus. Okay na okay daw. So, ito po. Paano ba? Kaya po. Ganun.
Driver, why not working?
Sir, excuse me. It's not working. Oh, so okay na. Libre na sakay namin. So, wala po akong binigay ito no, na kahit anong pera. So, ito po ang Qatar. Ganito po. Nagpo-provide sila ng libreng sakay. Basta bibili ka lang sa kanila nitong Metro card nila. So, ito po ay 20 reals total because card is 10, then you need to recharge 10 also. So, this is good. Thank you, Qatar, for providing this kind of travel. So, yung nanditong nakaupo sa unahan, pindot yan kasi bababa na siya. Ay, pinaka-machine nito. Pwede ka dyan mag-recharge. Pwede kang bumili ng card. Ganito lang yan,
Yan.
At
2 real lang, malayo
Real
na yung
lang.
mapupuntahan mo dyan.
Gano'ng kalayo?
Malayo, unlimited dyan. Basta't one, basta di ka lang mag-exit dyan. Kahit saan ka pumunta, unlimited dyan kahit saan ka pumunta. Basta't wag ka lang lalabas doon sa exit. Kapag nag-exit ka na, automatic yan, 2 real ulit yan.
Pintuan. Yung
Ayan.
pintuan ko ng friend.
Yes, di ba? Ang ganda.
Lupit po nila dito, no? May inspection na ng card. Baka may naliligaw na walang may card eh. Galing. Umahon na po kami. Umahon na sa lupa yung tren na sinasakyan namin, guys.
Nag-work din ako dito. Oo. I think 2 years.
2 years?
Oo.
Saan naman ang trabaho dito?
Pagod. Ganun naman talaga sa trabaho, pagod. Pero kailangan i-enjoy natin ang trabaho.
Enjoy lang. Gaya ng sinabi ko nung intro pa lang, no, talagang tinuto. Ang naalala ko kasi yung nung nakasama ko pa siya sa room, ang laging bukang bibig nito, Lord bless me and let me be blessing to others.